I'm Jonathan Brendefur from DMTI, and I'm going to go through some initial concepts when you're teaching place value. So this is really the end of kindergarten and into first grade is when this occurs. So typically kids are using manipulatives. They're using blocks or cubes to represent number. And then they move into an iconic or a visual representation, which is either the bar model or the number line. So we're going to use a bar model because it represents the cubes pretty well. And we're going to look at the number 12. So students are asked to build the number 12 using cubes and then to draw it. And this is what the visual looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So students build this. They are able to count the 12 cubes. Remember, this is the end of kindergarten. This is early first grade. They're actually looking at this as 12 discrete objects, 12 units of 1. That's great. And then we are starting to get them to start looking at place value, saying, well, this represents 2 ones, and this one represents, the digit 1 there represents a 10. And typically we're just saying, kids, do you see this? They don't see it. They see it as 12 ones. So then what's important, if they're with cubes, we actually have them wrap painter's tape around the 10, so it looks like it's a new unit by itself. It's its own unit of 10, its own place value. And to draw that, it looks like that. That is our unit of 10. And then we have 2 units of 1. Looks very similar, except for this unit of 10 really focuses on that place value. So now we can say this digit 2, there's my 2 units of 1. And you can ask kids this, where do you see the 2 in this model? If you show them this model, they typically will circle the first 2. Or some kids may even on this model go, well, the 2 is really here. But with this, when you're trying to focus on place value, we want to be able to say, or ask the question, where is the digit 2? This is where the 2 units of 1 are, and then where is the 1, 10? Here's the 1 unit of 10. So that's an initial way of really getting kids to understand the difference of 12 ones versus 12 as a unit of 10 and a unit of 2. That's that initial idea within place value. Now we're going to come back in the next couple sessions and we're going to build on this idea so we can really get a deep foundation of place value, which is very critical all the way up into middle school and beyond. Thank you.